Hi, I'm Deepmala Toshniwal, registered dietitian and co-founder Curo Wellness. We as nutritionists often come across erratic lifestyle patterns that we see in our clients or even others in general. Lack of exercise, consumption of convenience foods, or even unmanaged stress. These are fairly common. Now, while we are young, our body can weather all these issues and changes. We put on a kilo here and there, and that's about it. But as years pass by, these lifestyle issues pile up. And when we approach our 40s or even early 50s, what we see is that there is a sudden, there is increase in the weight. You may have altered blood parameters like blood pressure or cholesterol or even blood sugar levels. So we wonder, I was doing just fine. What happened? Well, these lifestyle issues can be summed up together in something called as the metabolic syndrome. Metabolic syndrome is a cluster of risk factors that occurs or is caused because of many lifestyle issues. These risk factors are a large waist, high triglyceride levels, low HDL or good cholesterol, high blood pressure, or even elevated fasting blood sugar levels. If you have any of these three factors out of the 5, you are said to be suffering from metabolic syndrome. Now, if these factors are not taken into consideration or are not corrected, then it can advance into something serious like diabetes or hypertension or other serious lifestyle ailments. So in that sense, metabolic syndrome is like a warning signal, like that amber light of the traffic signal, which urges you to do course correction in your lifestyle. Metabolic syndrome is a serious problem, however, sadly very underrated. It is an opportunity for you to track or take care of your health. It is an opportunity to stop your car before the signal turns red. Now, metabolic syndrome is reversible because if you do correction in your lifestyle practices, you can get rid of these problems. But once these factors advance into something like diabetes or other serious problems, then it is not reversible. So we at Curo Wellness urge all our clients to keep track of their health parameters and other lifestyle issues, so that we ensure that they are not crossing the red line. Now, it is not easy to manage many lifestyle, issues like, for example, stress, which we all of us face. But if we know how to, manage the impact of these factors on your health, then we are in a better space. Metabolic syndrome is real, and it can happen to any of us. So it is time that we wake up and take care and track our health by keeping all these lifestyle issues in check. So it is high time so that we do not cross the red line, and if we have crossed the red line, we are already knocking on to into serious health problems like diabetes or heart disease and so on. So take charge of your health and beware that you nip this problem, the metabolic syndrome, in its bud. Stay healthy, stay safe.